Hey everybody, Mike here with a brand new reaction video. I'm not entirely sure what I'm about to watch. I found this on YouTube. It is related to the Sadako vs. Kayako movie. I remember seeing some pictures online of Sadako throwing a pitch in a baseball game, and apparently there was more to it than just that, because there was something between, some type of altercation, promoting the movie most likely, between Sadako and Kayako during the game. And I found a video clip of it. I don't know if this is like some news report promoting the movie, if this is actual footage from the game itself. I'm not really sure. All I know is it's related to the movie, which, as I've mentioned numerous times, I'm extremely excited about, so I wanted to check this out. So let's see what it is they have for us here. And play. Oh, nice. She does have a last name. I cannot wait to see her batting technique. I think Toshio's a little too big. Yeah, the boy that got playing Toshio looks a little too big in my opinion. Nice! Pinch runner! That was awesome. I do think that the boy they have for Toshio looks too old and a little too big. I've actually noticed that on the official Kayako Instagram. A lot of the pictures they have, which actually are hilarious. If you go on Instagram and look up Kayako with Toshio, they have a whole page set up there, and the pictures are hilarious, but the boy that got playing Toshio I think just looks too old for the part. It doesn't look to be the same person that's doing it in the movie, because he looks much younger in the movie. So I'm guessing the ones they have doing the Instagram pictures, and probably same for Sadako, the one in all the Twitter pictures, is probably just somebody they've hired specifically for these promotional stuff. Like I said, it was still hilarious. I got a kick out of it, and it all the more makes me really wish I could be going to see it. I'm probably going to harp on that every time I see a video related to that movie until it comes over to America and I have the opportunity to see it for myself. Yeah, that's all I've got on this one. I got a good kick out of that. So, until next time.